Good morning, children. How are you all? Now here I am going to start a new chapter, that is weather and climate. Weather. What is already we have discussed, we studied in 6th class about the weather, isn't it? Ramya and Soumya, when they are going for school, what are their mother said? Please carry, better you carry the umbrella. Why she said like this? She predicted that within a short time we'll get the rain because of clouds. That is called prediction. Prediction. It is not sure. Maybe you get rains, isn't it? That is called predictions, isn't it? So here generally our elders also predict rain. We also predict rain when the dark clouds will get up. How much dark clouds are there? Maybe we get the rains within a short period of time, isn't it? That is what you call it. Weather of a place. See, our place is we are in plain area, so our weather will be not too hot, not too cold, isn't it? And if you go to climate hilly areas, the weather will be very cool, isn't it? So weather predictions we can predict. Now today it is very hot weather. Today we can means per every day morning till night we can't say the weather will be same. The weather will be changed, isn't it? Sometimes it is very hot, sometimes it is cloudy, sometimes we get even rains also, isn't it? That is the weather. And what is a climate? Climate is different from weather. Climate means continuously for 25 years they calculate, they will see the weather of that particular place, then they decide the climate of this place is very hot or very cool, isn't it? That is called a climate. 25 years. Who will predict the weather and climate? Department will be there. That is called meteorological department. IMD, Indian Meteorological Department, only predict the weather forecast. Forecast means what will happen in future, isn't it? Within 4 days we are getting heavy to very heavy rainfall. These 2 days will be very hot and the temperature will be raises about 40 to 50 degrees Celsius. This is what you call it forecast, isn't it? So what is a climate? Continuously they observe the climate of that place, continuously they observe the weather, isn't it? Now Kashmir, always it is cool. Shimla, it is cool, snowfall will be there. Antarctica, why the snowfall will be there? Polar regions, continuously snowfall here, throughout the year snowfall will be there. That is the climate of that place, very cool climate will be there, isn't it? So climate is 25 years after they decide the climate of that place. Understood? So it is common experience for everybody. We hear that. Now we are going to celebrate a function, party, marriage. First we will decide the weather, how it will be in winter season, whether it is good to celebrate or it is good to perform marriage, or a rainy season will not at all good to perform any marriages or functions. So they decide first the weather of the place, then only they comes to conclusion, isn't it? Even the farmers also, before starting their agricultural practices, they will observe the weather conditions, isn't it? They depend completely on the weather predictions to plan their agricultural practices, isn't it? So here these weather conditions affects our day-to-day life, isn't it? So you have seen this within 1 week back, how much rains we got. Heavy to very heavy rains. First time in the history of Hyderabad, we got floods. Many areas are flooded with water, even in apartments also. Many people are homeless. They left their houses and they moved to safer places, isn't it? Now here see the weather predictions are given for you in here 3 days. 3 days it is given for you weather. Day 1, day 2 and day 3. Maximum temperature. Maximum means more temperature. Maximum means high temperature. Maximum means high temperature. Minimum means less temperature. Maximum high temperature, minimum less temperature. This you keep in mind. Rainfall. Then sky. These are the weather factors. The weather depends upon these factors. The weather depends upon these factors. So, here, sky may be wind, humidity, sunrise and sunset. So here day 1 maximum temperature means high temperature, minimum temperature means low temperature, less temperature, isn't it? That is called minimum temperature. 28 degrees on first day, 27 degrees Celsius on second day, 29 degrees on third day. So now tell me on which day the temperature is maximum? Here day 3 the temperature is maximum. Minimum temperature 21 degrees Celsius, 17 degrees Celsius and 21 degrees Celsius. On which day the temperature is minimum here? Tell me. Minimum temperature 17 degrees. That is day 2. The temperature is minimum. Now here. Rainfall. None means no rainfall on first day. None means no rainfall. Light shower. On second day, light shower. On third day, none. Means no rainfall. No rainfall on third day. So like this. Humidity. Sky may be. Now sky may be clear. Cloudy. Cloudy. Isn't it? Wind. Wind means slow moving air is called wind. Slow moving air is called wind. Very mild. Very mild breeze. Mild breeze. Yeah? Good. Next coming to humidity 95%, 90% and 85%. So humidity, what is humidity? Percentage of water vapor present in air is called a humidity. Percentage of water vapor present in air is called a humidity. What is humidity? Percentage of water vapor present in air is called a humidity. In which place humidity will be more? Where the evaporation is faster, where the water vapor is more. In coastal areas, humidity will be more, isn't it? Sunrise, sunsets. When the sun rises, when the sun sets, that you have to write. Now, sunrise, sunset also it is not same. Daily changes will be there. You observe in the TV, you go through the newspaper, you will get all these factors. Weather factors, you will get it. Isn't it? These are the factors on which the weather depends. Maximum temperature, minimum temperature, rainfalls, sky may be clear, cloudy or wind or humidity, sunrise, sunset. Sunrise at 6:20. Timings also will mention in TV or if you go through the newspaper also, you will get day 6:30 a.m. that is 6:31 a.m. Morning means a.m. Okay. Sunrise. Sunset means p.m. 5:40 p.m. Or here you get 5:40 then 5:41. So here you are seeing the sunrise also changes the time, is you are getting a slight difference is getting here, and for sunset also slight difference you are getting here, isn't it? So you have seen these 3 consecutive days of this weather. So this, what you understand by this is weather is keep changing, keep on changing. The humidity is changing, the wind is changing, even the temperature also changes, the sunrise sunsets also you are observing the change, isn't it? So most of the day it is normal, but sometimes the changes will be fine. So weather is a very complex phenomenon that it can vary over a very short period of time. Sometimes it is sunny, sometimes it is very hot, sometimes it is very cloudy, sometimes you will get the rains, isn't it? So here, so the temperature, humidity, rain, wind, all these are the aspects of weather only. So these factors constitute the weather: maximum temperature, minimum temperature, rainfall, wind, humidity, sunrise, sunsets. These are the factors of weather. This constitute the weather. Okay children, fine. Thank you.